Hello my friends, welcome to another video. Today we're going to learn how to go from 0 to 5 strict pull-ups. Before we start, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. If you cannot do more than 5 pull-ups, I believe that you will not have the capacity to stay hanging there for a long time. And the grip is the most important thing, or at the beginning is very important. So you need to really practice staying in this dead hang position for as long as you can, maybe 10, 20, 30 until 60 seconds. The more you can be here, the better it will help you on your overall strength and capacity. And of course it will give you some good mobility on your shoulders and also gonna fix some compression on your spine. The second exercise is the jumping pull-up. This one is a great addition and I really used it for almost maybe 6 months of working out until I could be able to do 5 repetitions. And the reason is that at the beginning maybe you can do 1 repetition, maybe 2 or 3, and then you want to continue stressing out your muscles, so you will continue with jumping pull-ups. You will just find a bar that is not too high for you, and you will focus here on bringing your head or your chest over the bar, and that's all. So you just bend your knees, arms completely straight, you jump and you pull at the same time, and you try to touch the bar with your chest. This will give you explosive power and also strength. My recommendation is that you begin your workout with this exercise. Probably do 3 to 4 rounds of anything in between 5 to 10 repetitions. The third exercise you're gonna do is holding up in the upper position. So you will try to hold as long as you can. Maybe count 10 seconds, 15 seconds, and when you are done and you have held enough, you will go slowly down, as slow as you can, controlling always your core, your arms. When you're done, you can help yourself jump, pull up and hold again, and stay here again for about 10 seconds. Do this exercise for about 2 or 3 rounds, and that's gonna be enough. The fourth exercise is the rowing, and this is a must do for everybody. Rowing are the standard for real strength and support of your back when you are pulling, because you are pulling on a horizontal level, and this will really work on your lats and also in your scapular contraction, protecting your back. When you're a beginner, you're just going to choose an angle that is easy for you, and in time you can come parallel to the floor. The fifth exercise is the assisted pull-ups with an elastic band. Work slowly and in control. You can also work on doing chin-ups. So this will work on your supinated grip, attacking your biceps. To increase your pull-up technique, avoid these mistakes. First, the position of your hands. The grip have to be complete, meaning your thumb has to go below the bar. If you put your thumb over the bar, you're not gonna activate as much as you can your forearm and your hands to stay in a longer position here. So, secure grip. Second mistake is cross legs. And the reason here is that when we do this, we are locking up the muscles of the back, making it way harder. Instead, try to put your feet just below your body, hanging or a little bit forward, activating your core. To increase further your strength, you can practice some variations of the pull-up. So you will start with a regular grip, hands aligned with your shoulders, and then you can go to a wide grip, and then you go to a narrow grip. Switching and changing in between these grips, it allows your back to develop further. Getting your first pull-ups is just a matter of consistency and not of capacity. So just focus on working out, do this exercise twice or 3 times per week, and you will see results. That's it. In a couple of weeks and maybe some months, you will see yourself pulling up all above the bar. So see you on the next video, and remember to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.